Welcome back to Heaven's Kitchen. Today, we're making a delicious and simple recipe, marinated roasted chicken drumsticks with sautéed vegetables. So let's get started. In a small mixing bowl, add Himalayan salt, black pepper, garlic powder, onion powder, chili flakes, paprika, thyme, light soy sauce, and olive oil. The exact measurements are listed in the description box below. Now, mix everything very well until it's fully combined. Next, pour this flavorful marinade over 8 medium-sized chicken drumsticks in a baking pan. Make sure every drumstick is nicely covered with the marinade. You can start cooking right away, but for the best results, leave the marinated drumsticks in the refrigerator for at least an hour. Preheat your oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then roast the drumsticks for 45 minutes to an hour depending on their size. While our drumsticks are roasting, let's prepare our sautéed veggies. In a pan over medium heat, add some olive oil. When it's hot, add onions and carrots. Sauté for about 2 minutes, then add zucchini and red bell pepper. Season with salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and thyme. Continue sautéing for another 5 minutes until everything is tender and flavorful. Serve the roasted chicken drumsticks with a side of these delicious sautéed vegetables. It's a beautiful balanced meal that's bursting with flavor. Thanks for joining me today on Heaven's Kitchen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more delicious recipes. Enjoy your meal, and see you next time.